Evan, 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 Evan. I did it! Huh? Yeah.
Good job, Evan!
I did it! I did it!
Good job!
I did it! I did it! Yeah!
Oh, that's so cute! Good job, Evan!
You know what? I think you taught him that
You did
word.
teach him how to do that, Alex.
You
That's
said it at
awesome.
the table and you taught him that word.
I did it.
Evan,
It's really 3 words, Daddy.
well, you told him that sequence of words. I did it.
Oh.
I did it. Oh,
I
yeah.
believe that is Evan's first sentence.
I do.
Awesome.
And who taught it to him? Alex taught it to
Little
him.
brother Alex is trying to get a Mickey Mouse t-shirt off his head
Okay.
by
When you're
himself.
done, you can say you did it.
Let's see. See if you can do it by
I
yourself.
did it.
You did! You did it by yourself. You got naked by yourself. Good job. What a big boy.
I did it.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, signing off. Bye.